How to change ruler opacity in Kindle. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the opacity. First of all, open the application. Now here you can select any of the book that you want to read. So here I'm tapping on one, so it is getting loaded. Now simply double tap on this interface. So as you can see, the opacity of my ruler line is very dark. So here on the right top, you can see this AA icon. Tap on this AA icon. Here you'll be able to see the option called More. Simply tap on More. Now slowly scroll down. Here you'll be able to see the option called Reading Ruler. Tap on it. Now here you'll be able to see the option called Opacity. Here there's a slider too, so you can adjust the slider however you like. So you can even decrease it to the minimum. So if you go back, it has been lightened. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.